Let me see your most recent emojis.
What?
Let's see it here, Jade. Okay.
Make a story.
Okay.
He was good.
He was happy
He was happy that
that he was sticking his
winking.
tongue out.
Yeah. And then he thought it was really good.
That he got a present
And cake.
for a nerd
Who likes piano?
and loves to eat more cake
He also likes to sing songs.
and celebrates things.
He
Thank you.
has a crush on someone and he gives them a little, with a little red heart love.
And they also like to eat a lot of food, which makes them whales.
And that is 100% not.
All right.
And then he ended
finishes with a cookie.
with a cookie.
So that's it. The very hungry, cool nerd that eats cake and sings and plays piano.
Yes. So
Bam.